WangPole is a country on Krokodilos continent that has signed and ratified the Krokodilos Convention and all the international human rights instruments in the UN framework. In April 1965, Camillo Prometheus was attacked by a crocodile on the banks of Zeus Tier and lost both of his legs. Years later, Camillo and Professor Jonah Hart founded Shincock Artificial Intelligence that produced cutting-edge artificial intelligence that has helped radically change WangPole's judicial system. The project platform analyzes a person's risk if released on bail through the Intelligent Bail Assessment Platform and calculates the person's credibility through the Too Intelligent to Fool system. Prometheus also worked on the Department of Defense project Zeus, creating autonomous weapons systems for its missions that resulted in deaths. In a viral Facebook video, he confessed he gave WangPole Central Intelligence personal data obtained by Shincock Artificial Intelligence in exchange for money after receiving threats. The Department of Defense rejected the accusations. The Attorney General of WangPole opened a criminal case against Professor Prometheus, who was charged with treason for leaking state secrets and unlawfully disclosing data. The Intelligent Bail Assessment Platform led to a High Court's decision granting him bail, but he was convicted on the merits and sentenced to life imprisonment. Meanwhile, Professor Hart presented Prometheus with a project V11 that allowed him to hunt even after his accident by controlling a pre-installed rifle in a remote location in a real kill game. Derivative project Soft Shotgun allowed anybody with a 3D printer to produce a working plastic shotgun. However, Parliament adopted a new law banning online hunting. Thus, Professor Hart argued to the Constitutional Court that the ban on V11 violated his constitutional rights. The Constitutional Court ruling was in favor of the government, and Prometheus was arrested for illegal firearm dealing. Soon after, there was a break-in at Shincock Artificial Intelligence, and a malicious virus was installed. Independent experts concluded the virus belongs to the Department of Defense, which the Attorney General declined to prosecute. In view of the situation, Moseidon attorneys for dignity approached the Krokodilos court, asking the court to adjudge and declare the following. First, Professor Prometheus's prosecution, sentence and use of Too Intelligent to Fool during his trial violated his fundamental human rights. Second, WangPole Attorney General Office's refusal to prosecute the case concerning the invasion of Shincock Artificial Intelligence violates Prometheus and others' fundamental human rights. Third, WangPole's ban on V11 violates Prometheus and others' fundamental human rights.